Welcome to Budding Dentist. Today we are going to discuss a simple lecture about life cycle of ameloblast. I promise you I won't bore you. Life cycle of ameloblast. There are 6 stages in the life cycle of ameloblast. The first stage is the morphogenic stage. Second goes to organizing stage, and third is the formative stage. Fourth is the maturative, fifth is the protective stage, and sixth is the desmolytic stage. What is ameloblast? Ameloblast is the enamel forming cells and the enamel is the outer covering of the anatomic crown. It is avascular and the enamel is ectodermal in origin. Differentiation of ameloblast occurs more in the incisal edge or the tips of the cusp, and it occurs less in the cervical loop. We will proceed with the first stage, that is the morphogenic stage. From the term morphogenic, there is something which is differentiated in the shape of the enamel, right? Morpho, it is which determines the shape, right? When the ameloblast cells on interaction with the adjacent mesenchymal cells, the shape of the tooth is determined. That is the shape of the DEJ, dentino-enamel junction, and the crown. Okay. During this stage, the inner enamel epithelial cells, which are short and columnar, and you could find a large oval nuclei, Golgi apparatus, and the centrioles are located in the proximal end of the cell. Mitochondria dispersed throughout the cytoplasm. The second stage is the organizing stage or the differentiating stage. In the organizing stage, the inner enamel epithelium interacts with the adjacent connective tissue, which then differentiate into odontoblast. What is odontoblast? Odontoblast is the dentin forming cells. Okay. During the organizing stage, what happens is the shell which are short and columnar in the morphogenic stage, which becomes long. The oval nuclei becomes nuclear free zones. And the other organelles is also there is a changes. Okay, the distal end of the cells become as long as the proximal parts. This changes in the organelles and the position of the nucleus is called the reversal of polarity. During the terminal phase of the organizing stage, the odontoblast which forms the dentine, which is the critical phase in the life cycle of ameloblast. Okay. The interdependence between the ameloblast and the odontoblast, which is called the reciprocal induction. When the dentin is formed, it cuts off nutrition supply to the ameloblast. The ameloblast which receive nutrition supply from the connective tissue, that is the dental papilla, but when the dentin is formed, it cuts off or it blocks the nutrition supply from the dental papilla. So what the ameloblast will do, it create the alternate source for the nutrition from the dental sac. The third stage is the formative stage. Ameloblast enters the formative stage after the formation of dentine, after the first layer of dentin is formed. When the dentin is formed, there will be a beginning of enamel matrix formation, okay, which then induces or initiate changes in the organization and number of cytoplasmic organelles and the inclusions. During this stage, there is a development of blend cell process on the amyloblast surface, that is the Tomes process, right? The fourth stage is the maturative stage. Enamel maturation or mineralization, which happens in the incisal and occlusal regions. The thickness of the enamel is formed first in the incisal and the occlusal region, as I said before, right? In cervical regions also, the thickness of the enamel progresses at this time. During this stage, the amyloblast reduced in length, and the cells of the stratum medium, which is the cuboidal in shape now, which becomes spindle shaped during the maturative stage. The fifth stage is the protective stage. When the enamel is fully developed or calcified, that is fully mineralized or matured, the amyloblast becomes the well-defined layer. It won't differentiate with stratum intermedium or the outer enamel epithelium. This layer from the this amyloblast cell layers form stratified epithelial covering, which is called the reduced enamel epithelium. What is the function of reduced enamel epithelium is protection, okay? Which protects the matured enamel by separating it from the connective tissue until the tooth erupts. Desmolytic stage. The reduced enamel epithelium, which secretes some enzymes which destroys the connective tissue between the oral mucosa and the erupting tooth. By the reduced enamel epithelium, which secretes some enzymes which causes lysis of the connective tissue. So the term desmolytic, okay. This process thus facilitates the eruption process. This process is called the desmolysis. If premature degeneration of reduced enamel epithelium happens, which prevents the eruption of the tooth, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video finds informative. I hope I won't bore you. You can contact me via Instagram or via Gmail. I will link my references in the descriptive link. Thank you.